Ezer EDR-9000 Display Overview. The Ezer EDR-9000 has a high-quality and user-friendly display. In the upper left corner, you can find the subjective option in the drop-down menu. It allows you to start the subjective refraction using the data imported from the lens meter or the autorefractor in accordance with the doctor's preference. The central area of the display allows you to carry out the entire refraction process. There, you will find all the commands to control the digital refractor head. This is where you can select the eye you want to start working with by occluding the other eye. The area also offers the option of switching between the far vision and near vision. When beginning the refraction, you can modify the spherical power with the main rotary knob that allows you to choose between steps of 0.12, 0.25, 0.5 to 3.0 diopters based on your preference. When moving on to the cylindrical power, the central rotating knob can change the lenses instantly in steps of 0.25, 0.5, 1.0, 2.0, or 3.0 diopters. The versatile EDR-9000 also gives you the flexibility to work with both positive and negative cylinders. This area is where you can modify the axis of astigmatism in steps of 1, 5, 15, or 30 degrees. The addition for the near vision can be adjusted in this area. By rotating the central knob, you can add power to the spherical portion of the distance prescription. You can also record in this area the maximum visual acuity that the patient has achieved once the final prescription has been obtained. The nasopupillary distance adjustment is made in this section, where you can modify the total interpupillary distance or the distance of each eye independently. By selecting the icon of each eye, you can find the filter menu and apply any of the filters, prisms, and occluders that the EDR-9000 offers. In the lower part of the screen, you will find the command area for the acuity systems. Here is where you select the charts that will be used for each patient. The EDR-9000 can control both a projector and an LED display. Over here, you can see the monitoring window. The window lets the doctor observe what is projected on the display, allowing the practitioner to conveniently track the patient's evaluation. On the upper right side, you can find the guide window. This window suggests how to proceed for the execution of each of the tests. To illustrate this, let's use the cross-cylinder test as an example. When adjusting the test, the guide window orients the professional in which direction to move the central knob in order to generate the appropriate adjustment based on the patient's feedback. The central part of the screen exhibits the icons that allow you to select the spherical power, the cylindrical axis, the cross-cylinder, the addition, and the vertical and horizontal prisms. Over there, the VA key allows you to store the visual acuity reached by the patient once the refraction is finished. In the top drop-down menu, you can find the UA key, which refers to the visual acuity that the patient reached prior to refraction. The Ezer EDR-9000 Digital Refractor. US Ophthalmic, a vision that inspires yours.